How much does a data scientist earn in India? Let's find out. Salary, according to recent Glassdoor India data, the average base pay of data scientist is around 10 LPA, with a reported base range of roughly is 7 to 17 LPA. 7 to 17 LPA. Like experience, ये freshers के लिए 1 to 3 years 7 to 12 LPA. Salary range 3 to 5 years 5 to 10 20 to 35 LPA हो गया. 10 plus years के लिए 35 to 60 LPA. ये एवरेज सैलरी है. सैलरी रेंज हो गया. टॉप पेइंग सिटीज इन इंडिया, बेंगलोर में है 8 to 28 LPA. In Hyderabad 7 to 26 LPA. In Pune 7 to 25 LPA. In Gurugram 9 to 30 LPA and Mumbai 8 to 28 LPA. But remember, salary depends on your experience, skills, location, company, and industry. If you want higher paying data science career, focus on Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning, and data visualization. There is comparison between India, USA, and UK. In India, 4 to 8 LPA in rupees, and USA 70 to 95 in dollars, and UK 35 to 50k dollars. 2 to 5 years experienced person 8 to 15 LPN in India, USA 95 to 130k dollars per year. Want to know complete salary breakdown and the skills you need to get a high paying data science job? Check the detailed video, link is in the description. Thank you.